For question 4, we're looking at the ArrayResizer class that has a public static boolean method is non-zero row that you'll implement in part A. It has a public static int num non-zero rows method. And it has a public static int resize method that you'll implement in part B. For question 4b, we're in the method resize, which returns a new two-dimensional array containing only rows from array 2D with all non-zero values. The elements in the new array should appear in the same order as the order in which they appeared in the original array. For question 4b, you write in the method resize, you declare rows and column numbers, you declare the result array you're going to return, where the number of rows in this new array is going to be the number of non-zero rows, and the number of columns is just the number of columns. You declare a new row index variable to 0. You go through every row. If a row is non-zero, copy it over, and then within that, you go through every column in row R and copy it over. And then if a row is non-zero, you increment new row index, so you are looking at the next row. Finally, at the end, you return your resulting array. I normally make content teaching you how to code in Python, Java, and JavaScript, so if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe.